Welcome to FinTech Central, where AI, finance, and technology come together to shape the future. If you're looking for smarter ways to grow your money in the digital age, you're in the right place. Imagine waking up to more money in your crypto wallet than when you went to sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Well, thanks to DeFi, it's not just possible, it's happening right now. In today's video, we're talking about how to earn passive income with DeFi, without lifting a finger. Before we get started, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto and finance content. And if you're already in the DeFi game, drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to earn passive income? Alright, let's get into it. Before we talk about making money, let's define what DeFi actually is. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. It's a financial system that runs on blockchain technology, completely removing the need for banks or middlemen. Instead of a bank paying you interest for keeping your money in a savings account, DeFi lets you lend, stake, and invest your crypto, and you collect the profits instead. So let's break down 4 of the most popular ways to earn passive income in DeFi. On-screen text, 4 ways to earn passive income in DeFi. One of the easiest ways to earn passive income in DeFi is staking. Here's how it works. You lock up your crypto in a blockchain network to help validate transactions. In return, you get staking rewards, kind of like earning interest in a savings account. The best part? You don't need to do anything after setting it up. Some of the best cryptos for staking include Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana. Ethereum now offers up to 4 to 6% APY, while Cardano sits around 3 to 5%. Staking is super easy to do, offers consistent passive income, and is low risk compared to trading. However, your crypto is locked up for a period of time, and some staking platforms charge fees. If you're new to DeFi, staking is the best way to dip your toes in and start earning. Yield farming is like putting your crypto to work in different DeFi protocols to earn the highest returns. Here's how it works. You deposit your crypto into a liquidity pool. Other traders use that liquidity for swaps and transactions. In return, you earn interest plus additional token rewards. Some of the best DeFi platforms for yield farming include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Aave. Yield farming offers higher returns than staking, and allows you to earn extra tokens on top of interest. However, it's more complex than staking, and there's a risk of impermanent loss, which means the value of your crypto can change while it's locked. Yield farming is not for beginners, but if you're comfortable with crypto, it can be one of the most profitable ways to earn. Ever wanted to be the bank instead of relying on one? That's exactly what DeFi lending lets you do. Here's how it works. You lend your crypto to borrowers through DeFi platforms. They pay interest on the loan, you collect the interest, it's as simple as that. Some of the best DeFi lending platforms include Aave, Compound, and MakerDAO. Lending is a great option because it's low risk, especially if you lend stablecoins like USDT or DAI. It allows you to earn passive income without price volatility. However, interest rates fluctuate based on demand, and some platforms have withdrawal fees. Lending is perfect if you want steady passive income without high risk. Liquidity mining is a combination of staking and yield farming. Here's how it works. You deposit your crypto into a liquidity pool on a DeFi exchange. The exchange rewards you with fees plus additional tokens. Some of the best platforms for liquidity mining include Uniswap, Curve Finance, and Balancer. Liquidity mining offers high reward potential and allows you to earn trading fees plus token rewards. However, it comes with higher risk due to impermanent loss and is not ideal for beginners. Liquidity mining is great for advanced users who want higher returns. So, which DeFi strategy should you choose? If you're a beginner, start with staking. If you want higher returns, try lending or yield farming. And if you're an advanced DeFi user, look into liquidity mining. The best part about DeFi is that you can mix and match these strategies to maximize passive income. So, which DeFi strategy are you most excited about? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. This is FinTech Central, bringing you the latest in AI, finance, and technology. See you in the next one.